Welcome to WebStyleRus. How can we create YouTube video subtitles manually? This is YouTube Studio and I'm editing a video. From this screen, go to Subtitles. Video subtitles improve search engine rankings and enhance video accessibility. It's part of video search engine optimization process if you are into it. If your content is in English language already, on uploading video at YouTube, it will auto-generate English subtitles. Auto-generated subtitles may not be 100% accurate. I always review auto-generated subtitles before publishing. Most videos get auto-generated subtitles from YouTube, but sometimes it is a miss and YouTube does not generate subtitles, or YouTube generates subtitles in different language of its own choice. Yes, that happens. In that case, we need to add subtitles manually. YouTube auto-generated subtitles for this video, but not in English. I can hit duplicate and edit. From here, I can edit these subtitles and hit publish button. But this video was in English language. I wanted YouTube to auto-generate subtitles in English language. Let me show you. Welcome to WebStyleRus. In this video, I will show you how can you add subtitles to a video manually and upload at YouTube. So this was the video. Now for this video, I will create and add subtitles myself. In front of English video language, I can click at add subtitles, or if it is not present here, I can add English language from this button. I will click add. Now I can type manually or I can upload a file, subtitles file. We can upload .srt file containing subtitles and related information. YouTube will take information from .srt file and display subtitles for the video. I will show you a very easy way to create your own subtitles file. You can use a free and open source program like Subtitle Edit. Download it. It looks like this. Make sure you select your video player of choice from its settings. Options, settings, video player, and I have selected VLC. Also make sure format is selected .srt from here. Now open video file in it. This is the video file. Drag drop here. And as you can see, it generated waveform below the video. If you don't see the waveform, then click at this area to generate waveform. Now all you have to do is to select area from here, right click, add text here, add text here to add subtitles to this area. Also you can zoom out or zoom in. You can select playback speed. I have already written subtitles for this video. These are here. Welcome to WebStyleRus. Let's play the video. Welcome to WebStyleRus. So this is welcome to WebStyleRus. Select it, add text here, copy, paste. And as you can see, number, start time, end time, duration, and text. Play the video again. In this video, upload at YouTube. Let's copy this whole sentence. Copy. Show you how in this video I will show you how can you add subtitles to a video manually and upload at YouTube. Okay, zoom out. Select this area, right click, add text here, paste, and use this auto BR. Click here, you can see the subtitle here. Click auto BR to split this sentence in 2 lines. Next, copy, play, and upload at YouTube. Okay, from here play. If your video language is English, YouTube auto-generates subtitles. But select this area, right click, add text here, paste, auto BR, select next piece, play the video again. But for a better control, you can also add subtitles to a video manually. Drag, select, right click, add text here, paste here, auto BR. So we have added subtitles successfully. These are our subtitles. Repeat the process until you are done adding all subtitles. Save file as .srt. File, save as template.srt. So this is our file. Let me show you what it has got. This is the file. Number, start time, end time, and then subtitle. Now we have to upload this file at YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio, edit desired video, go to subtitles, add subtitle, upload file, select with timing, continue. Select the file template.srt, open it, and here are our subtitles. You can further edit these from here. Subtitles with timings. You can see the preview from here, and then hit publish button. Now I can unpublish subtitles that I don't need. Let's test those subtitles. Refresh. Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how can you add subtitles to a video manually and upload at YouTube. If your video language is English, YouTube auto-generates subtitles. But for a better control, you can also add subtitles to a video manually. So this is how easily we can create YouTube video subtitles manually. Also, if you keep subtitle file name same as video file, Play video in media player and select subtitle track. Subtitles will also play in media player. So this technique will not just work for the YouTube videos but for the local videos as well. Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how can you add subtitles to a video manually and upload at YouTube. If your video language is English, YouTube auto-generates subtitles. But for a better control, you can also add subtitles to a video manually. Alright, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.